Put an end to thyroid problems in just 8 days with coriander seeds. In case you still do not know, a thyroid gland is one of the very important organs of human body. And when there is something wrong with it, there are a lot of unpleasant changes throughout the body. The thing is that the hormones that a thyroid gland produces are very beneficial to human body, and many processes go sideways when they are produced incorrectly. The hormones the thyroid gland produces regulate the metabolic processes, and as you may also know, once there is something wrong with your metabolism, lots of issues may arise. That is why today we are going to discuss a remedy that will take care of all the thyroid gland issues in just as few as 8 days. The best way to deal with all types of thyroid gland issues is with the help of coriander seed water. This remedy is easy to prepare, it is highly effective. What is more, it has no side effects, so that even pregnant and nursing women can take it. Ingredients: coriander seeds, water, honey. Preparation: Number 1. Bring water to boiling. Number 2. Add a few teaspoons of coriander seeds to boiling water. Number 3. Let it boil for about 20 minutes. Number 4. Remove from the flame and strain the mixture. Number 5. Pour the water into the glass and you can drink it. Number 6. In case you are not fond of the taste, you can add some honey to it and drink it with honey. Number 7. Drink the remedy every morning just right after you wake up. Number 8. In a week you will see the changes. As it has been already said, there are no side effects to this remedy, so that you do not have to worry about the consequences. In as few as up to 8 days, you will observe the positive changes. You should not forget that most of your problems may result from inactivity. That is why adding some more exercise to your routine certainly won't hurt. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and please share this with your friends and family.